Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The wait is over, launching in end of July this year. Let's dive in deep. Amazing key feature of this phone is it's dust resistant in 5 colors. It features a 50 megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and telephoto camera, outer selfie camera, and inner display camera. This flagship phone will feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Samsung has just announced that it will host the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event in Seoul, South Korea for the first time. The event will take place in late July, at which we should see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 debut. Of course, Samsung's new foldable phones will come to the US, but in a press release, the company said that it chose its home country for a number of reasons. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.